Hi and welcome. My name is Lanise Martin, and today I'm going to show you a brief overview of our travel business opportunity. So, a little bit about me. I am a wife and mother. I'm from the Chicagoland area. We have um, three children. Me and my husband have three children. We have two twins who are 16, and our oldest is 19 years old. When I first took a look at this business, now I'm currently an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur most of my adult life. I am in the cosmetology industry. So when I first took a look at this business, I learned about it on social media. And when I saw that it was a business that didn't require any inventory, any quotas, any tools and supplies, and the product was travel, I immediately raised my hand because I am a busy person, a busy entrepreneur, and I didn't want to have extra stuff, right? But I also knew that by this business being in the travel space, my family and I were already traveling. So I knew it would be something that we could enjoy immediately. And it was something that would supplement my income, right? So what happened though is I learned that this business is so much more. So if you're looking for something to supplement your income, something that you can do part-time or full-time, you are taking a look at the right information. As I mentioned, this is going to be a brief overview, but what you're going to learn is that there are people in the business of different backgrounds, different educational levels, different ages, and people are earning commissions. They are earning thousands a month. They are earning tens of thousands a month. There are individuals earning over $100,000 a month with this business opportunity. So the purpose of this 11-minute video is to give you a glimpse of what can be done with the business. Of course, you may have questions afterward. A lot of people don't. They're ready to get started. But if you do, we can set up a time to chat and get your questions answered. But at this time, I want you to take a moment and take a look at the video.
Welcome to Planet Marketing, the best place on the planet.
A place where financial freedom, personal freedom, and time freedom go hand in hand.
A place where you can design the life you want to live. Where you can earn more, travel more, save more, and experience more.
Building a network of like-minded people, benefiting from the exciting global 24-hour-a-day world of e-commerce.
And earning lucrative travel commissions while you learn the secrets and advantages of being a travel agent.
Founded in 2015 by former Air Force Desert Storm veteran and entrepreneur Mr. Donald Bradley.
Based in Atlanta, Georgia, and operating in over 20 countries, Planet is solid, secure, and prepared for massive growth. The company is known for its solid leadership, global experience, and turnkey home-based business solution.
And boasts some of the best, most knowledgeable corporate leadership in the industry, including President and CFO Mr. Andy Cawthon, with decades of management and marketing experience, and COO Leanne Trockler, Head of Operations, Support, and Field Support, and Mr. James Ferrara, co-founder and president of IntelliTravel, our exclusive travel partner.
Located in Delray Beach, Florida, IntelliTravel is one of the most trusted names in travel, with over 25 years of success.
The original home-based travel agency. They have a coveted A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and are accredited and certified with all major carriers and organizations.
And they have the awards to prove it.
Now, as you may or may not know, every time a flight is booked, a car rented, or a hotel reservation is made, somebody earns a commission. And that can be the beginning of a beautiful business.
And when you become a travel business owner, the entire world of travel is open to you. From family reunion cruises to destination weddings, corporate retreats to alumni excursions, airline tickets, car rentals, hotel stays, even event tickets like concerts or sporting events, even trains, excursions, even vacation home rentals, and every single transaction, commissions. Commissions that you can earn.
And the timing? It's perfect. Already the world's largest industry at $8 trillion per year, experts are predicting it will hit $15 trillion in the next 10 years. Travel is already the #1 searched for item on the internet.
And with baby boomers retiring and millennials already spending $200 billion a year, you will agree this is the perfect business.
Think about it. Virtually every single person you know travels. Why not get paid on what they're going to do anyway?
How does it work? Well, when you become an independent travel agent, what we call an ITA, you get a completely turnkey business with everything you need to succeed. A state-of-the-art website and booking portal, exclusive inventory, world-class training and support, business cards, sales tools, a complete email marketing system.
And best of all, the ability to earn between 70 and 80% of all commissions paid on any and all travel booked through your site.
And that can add up to a lot. Just look at these examples.
Chances are that you know some serious business travelers. If they book through your site instead of one of those no-name sites, not only do they get great rates, but you would earn over $150 in commission on a typical 3-night stay.
Know any golfers? Help set up a 5-day golf event for a foursome in Phoenix and earn over $270, even if you don't even know how to swing a club.
Anyone getting married soon? How about being the hero that helps book a dream honeymoon to Cancun? The newlyweds get luxury accommodations, 5-star service, and a butler. You get over $560 in commission.
Okay, one more. A group cruise. You book 20 cabins for a family reunion cruise to the Caribbean. Your reward? $2,240.17. How many of those could you do in a year? In a month?
And this is not cut-rate vendors or cheap, unwanted inventory. We're talking about the best brands in the travel industry. Literally hundreds of the world's best brands right at your fingertips.
And for those of you who want to dive in and become full-time travel pros, we offer the best, most comprehensive training in the industry.
But not in some stuffy classroom. Because as an IntelliTravel agent, you have access to our exclusive IntelliTrips.
How about $99 for 4 nights in beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica, while you learn about tropical beaches?
Or 3 nights at Disney for $399 so you can check out all the rides.
Or 7 nights on a Caribbean cruise for a $399 ocean view or $559 balcony room so you can sample world-class dining and a luxury cruise experience.
That's what it's all about. Learning your trade while traveling the world.
And backing you up, the best guarantees in the industry. The best travel price guarantee. The no questions asked 100% money back guarantee. And the unique profit guarantee. Nobody else in the industry offers that.
Now, don't get us wrong. Making money in travel is one of the most enjoyable and exciting ways to earn a living.
But for those who want to take it to a whole different level, we offer the ability to build a team. A chance to show others the advantages of being an ITA, to capitalize on what we call leveraged income, to earn residual checks like rock stars and actors.
Because Warren Buffett said it best, never rely on a single source of income. You must invest to create a second source.
What exactly is leveraged income? Well, let's imagine you are a car mechanic. You fix a car, you get paid. You fix another car, you get paid. You go on vacation, cars aren't fixed, you don't get paid. Now, imagine you own a garage. You have 6 mechanics who work for you. Every car they work on, you earn income, even if you are on a tropical beach somewhere. That is leverage. And at Planet Marketing, we have multiple ways for you to leverage, like $50 for every direct sale, a 50% check match on all personal referrals, and up to 6 levels of team bonuses.
And as you rise through the ranks from bronze to silver to gold, more bonuses, more checks, more commissions.
And residual income? Well, because of our amazingly generous 3x9 matrix, you can earn hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands a month, every month, like clockwork.
And if you decide to go full-time, our phenomenal Fortune 100 style director program, where extra bonuses can grow to thousands of dollars per month.
And as a director, you can earn sapphire, ruby, diamond, and double diamond rings, even a diamond-encrusted Rolex, the pinnacle of success.
Now, it is important to remind everyone watching that not every person who joins PlanNet Marketing gets a diamond Rolex. In fact, some people make no money at all.
Everyone watching this has the exact same opportunity. Male or female, young or old, educated or not, everyone has a level playing field. The more you do, the more you make. It's that simple.
And a huge part of the PlanNet philosophy, it's not just about making money. It's about teaching you tried and true financial principles along the way, showing you how to create wealth, generational wealth.
Our pledge to you, it's one of the most unique in the world. When you become a PlanNet Marketing Director, you and your family is protected because in the event of your death, the PlanNet business you built will outlast you. Your family will still receive your PlanNet Marketing weekly commissions, director pay, director bonuses, and monthly residual income. That is our pledge.
And behind you every step of the way, talented, caring leadership that wants you to succeed, providing you state-of-the-art tools, training, and events. Tools like our phenomenal phone app that makes sharing videos like this as simple as pushing a button.
Like our exciting international conventions coming soon, where you get to meet the leadership, rub shoulders with the top earners, and possibly get to walk across stage yourself in front of thousands of cheering colleagues.
An exciting, dynamic, and growing industry, multiple streams of income and support. Everything you need for the perfect business.
How do you get started? Simple.
We offer 3 different ways to get started. The most popular is our $199.90 plan, where you can take advantage of both sides of the business, booking travel and selling the ITA business through simple tools and videos like this, leveraging the benefits and perks of 2 great companies.
And that's it. A phenomenal industry with picture-perfect timing. The only question is, where do you see yourself fitting in?
Are you a 1? You see the vision, the timing, and the money, and you are ready to get started.
Are you a 2? Meaning you like what you see, but you have a few more questions you'd like to get answered.
Or are you a 3? You're just not interested. It's okay, just make a decision, 1, 2, or 3. But whatever you do, don't think too long.
And if you decide to join us, know this, we will do everything in our power to help you succeed.
And welcome to PlanNet Marketing, the best place on the planet.
So there you have it. We have an amazing business opportunity here. We are partnered with 2 debt-free companies. One company, IntelliTravel. People are making good money in IntelliTravel. We get paid commissions on the travel that we book, including the travel that we book for ourselves. And then we have another amazing opportunity to earn life-changing income with PlanNet Marketing, where we have, we're working that business opens up an additional 7 streams of income. And in this opportunity, we work by empowering others to become travel business owners themselves. So at the end of each presentation, we have one of 3 people. We have a number 1 who is enjoying the opportunity, enjoy the presentation, and is ready. Number 1s are ready to get started. If you are a number 1, please connect with me directly, and you can get the link to get your business started in less than 10 minutes. And I look forward to working with you. If you're a number 2, number 2s have a few more questions, and that is perfectly okay. I do have a more detailed video that would go into a little bit more depth of what the business opportunity entails, how we earn money, it breaks down the compensation plan. But you can also schedule some time on my calendar to get your questions answered. And I look forward to getting all your questions answered so that you can make the best decision for you that when you determine whether or not this business is something for you. And number three says, well, you know what? This isn't for me right now. And you know what? I appreciate your honesty. But I do ask is if you can patronize either my business for travel services or the business of the person who invited you on here to take a listen today. So that is going to conclude this presentation, the short overview of the business. As I stated, if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out. And also, for those who are ready to get started, let's go. All right. I am looking forward to working with you. And I thank you, each and every one of you, for taking some time out today to consider this business opportunity. Have a great day.